Borno North Senatorial District. Mr. President, distinguished senators, I am craving for your indulgence to invoke Order 41 and Order 51 to bring this motion. And the motion is in respect of a deadly attack on military formation in Kukawa local government area of Borno State, where an officer, a very gallant officer, by name Lieutenant Colonel Umar Farouk, and other soldiers lost their lives in the course of attack by Boko Haram insurgency with the sole aim of taking over that local government. But as a result of the gallantry displayed by our military, they were able to be repelled and sustain a lot of casualties, the Boko Haram. But our military also sustained casualties. So this motion is brought.
Distinguished colleagues, the Chief Whip approved this morning that he intends to bring forward this motion which I just told you about. And in line with our rules, I will now put the question. It's up to you if you wanted to bring it forward under Order 41 and 51 in view of the importance of the motion. So those who are in favor that we should be allowed to move the motions, please say aye. Those against saying nay, the ayes have it. You can proceed.
Thank you, distinguished senators and Mr. President, for the indulgence. The motion reads thus: deadly attack on military formation in Kukawa local government area of Borno State. The Senate notes with deep concern that in the early hours of 9th March 2026, suspected insurgents launched a coordinated attack on a military formation of the Nigerian army in Kukawa local government area of Borno State, engaging troops in a fierce gun battle. In fact, the gun battle lasted for about 24 hours. Also note that the attackers reportedly approached the military base from multiple directions and engaged the troops in intense fighting that lasted several hours. Worried that the attack resulted in the death of Lieutenant Colonel Umar Farouk, who was instrumental to the return of the people of Kukawa town after it was ransacked by insurgents alongside other gallant soldiers. In fact, the late Lieutenant Colonel Umar Farouk was instrumental for the restoration of Kukawa local government after the initial takeover of the local government by Boko Haram insurgents. Also worried that the attack, wherein military vehicles were set ablaze and weapons were looted, forms part of a renewed wave of assaults on military formations in the northeast, despite ongoing counter-insurgency operations under Operation Hadinkai. In fact, even this morning, as I was coming here to move this motion, I got a report that another community, still in Kukawa local government, named Duro, was attacked by the insurgents, and one soldier lost his life in the course of the fight. Just this morning, as I was coming here to move this motion, commends the bravery, resilience, and sacrifice of officers and men of the Nigerian Armed Forces who continue to defend the territorial integrity of Nigeria and protect citizens. Cognizance of the strategic importance of sustained military operations, improved intelligence gathering, and enhanced logistic support in consolidating the gains made in the fight against insurgency. We really salute their bravery, their determination, their zeal and enthusiasm in the fight against insurgency, to the extent that we are able to restore the territorial integrity of this country in local governments that were hitherto under the firm control of the Boko Haram. Resolves to observe a minute of silence in honor of the soldiers who paid the supreme sacrifice in defense of Nigeria. Commend the officers and men of the Nigerian Armed Forces, particularly troops of Operation Hadinkai, for their courage, resilience, and commitment in confronting insurgents and safeguarding communities in the Northeast. Urge the Nigerian Armed Forces to intensify ongoing counter-insurgency operations by strengthening intelligence gathering, surveillance, and operational capabilities with a view to bringing to an end insecurity in the entire Northeast region and Nigeria as a whole. Mr. President,
Thank you very much. Is a down?
No, I want to add another prayer by way of amendment. If